through here, all these orchards, and we're almost to something amazingly huge.
Yep.
We saw it. We actually had to do a U-turn and come back to it. We got to get outside lane for a second. There's law enforcement and somebody pulled over and all this. Our guy doesn't get over. Oh, this is just one of the up here on the right hand side, we're going to go back in this lane. Muscle our way. Look at smell, it's horrible smell for miles.
Yeah.
We thought we just put manure side of the road. But no, that was not what it was. You can see it's hazy and misty over there too.
Yeah. So you may not be able to see it well, but I'll try and give you the best view possible.
Almost to a huge cattle yard.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yep.
Hold the camera upright so you can see down. There's thousands of cows in there.
I'm gonna zoom in to try and get from better view.
Look at all them cattle, and this is going on. It's going on for, it's going to be like a half mile by the time we're done. If you can see all them cattle, and it just keeps going, and it's way deep in there. That lot must be a half mile long or deep, and it's still going. Keep it going.
I am.
Because you can still see them. Keep it as tight as you can. So you can see. And we're still going. Hang on. There's a fence here, but if you keep looking over in there, as we continue on, it's the same group. And hang on, keep it on, because you can see them up here. Keep it going.
I am.
Keep it going, Randy.
I know.
You see all the steam and whatnot rolling off them. Look at that. It's, keep going over. See the fence up here still. So.
Okay.
Look at, I guess there's no cows up this far, but no, that's like a half mile or 3/4 of a mile
Of cows.
Thousands of cows. It is unbelievable. We're on 5 northbound.
Yep.
Near, I don't know what this is.
Mercy Springs Road.
Well, that's where we're going to turn off at 50 miles, Randy. That's the turn off.
Whoops.
So we're not near there, but we are, I don't know, we are 50 miles south of Los Banos, roughly.
Yep. Actually, let's see if my phone is smart enough to locate us. Because it always tries to find my location. The thing is,
We'll hit refresh.
no, that's for the area. No, that's for the Los Angeles. It's programmed for that area.
Anyways, doesn't matter. We'll figure out where it was. But man, that was a lot of cows in one location.
Yep.
We actually turned around, drove back down the road so we can actually video it. It was one of those things. Being from New York, we've got a lot of cows, but nothing like that.
Yeah.
I mean, the Champion Farm is near us. They've got like 700 cows or something. And that was so much bigger.
Yep.
I mean, so much bigger. Unbelievably. Wow, something's falling off that truck, hitting us.
Yep.
I said, yo, you really think something flying off that truck. What is that flying off?
Water, maybe?
No, that's
Dirt.
solid.
Small bits of rock?
I don't know. It's something. Honestly, looks like some sort of shipping container for a farm or something.
Yeah.
Anyways, we just wanted to do a quick video of the largest group of cows I've ever seen in my whole life.
Yeah, nearly like 40.
Yeah, almost 45, but still. Yeah. I mean, I've been in Texas. I see huge ranches, but none of them that many in one spot. That's like a huge abundance of cows in one location.
Yeah. Well, that's it for now.
See you later, alligator. Keep it school. Hugs, not drugs. Peace out.